Do you want to log out of Netflix on your TV? Then you are at the right place. We have got the easy way to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Log out from Netflix on Smart TV. Now here, we are going to show you how to sign out of Netflix when using the Smart TV app. But if you're using Netflix on your TV through other system like a Chromecast or games console, the steps may vary. Let's get started. Open the Netflix app. Go to the home screen by continuously pressing return on your remote. Press left on the remote to open the menu. Press down on your remote to highlight Get Help. If that option is on the bottom right of the screen, navigate to the bottom of the menu and press right on your remote. Once highlighted, press the Select button. Press down on your remote to highlight Sign Out, then press the Select button. You will be asked if you are sure that you want to sign out. With Yes highlighted, press the Select button to confirm. You might notice that there are many options related to reload Netflix and exit Netflix. Neither of these will sign you out of your Netflix account, but instead reload and close the Netflix app respectively. Once you have signed out, you can then get the option to sign in to another Netflix account. Method 2. Log out of Netflix on a smart TV via the website. Go to netflix.com. Sign into your account. In the top right, hover your profile picture and select Account. Within Security and Privacy, select Manage Access and Devices. Find the smart TV you want to sign out of and select Sign Out. In some instances, you won't see the smart TV listed. In this case, you can sign out of Netflix on all your devices. To do that, navigate back to the account page. Within Security and Privacy, select Sign Out of all devices. Finally, select Sign Out to confirm. And there you have it, the way to log out of Netflix on your TV. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the solution. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.